Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call getTask API in Angular. So let's get started. You can see the admin service. Let me duplicate this method and name of a method that is a getAllTasks. Let me update here the URL that is a /API/admin/tasks. Mapping will be a get. Let's go to dashboard component.ts. Let me add here the constructor where I'm going to inject the admin service. After this, I'm going to initialize here a variable with an empty array that is a list of tasks. Let me create here a method that is a getAllTask to call the method from the admin service. So let me call here the instance of the admin service that is a service and the method that is a getAllTask. Let's subscribe this and I'm going to save the response into this variable that is a res. Let me call here the variable that is a list of tasks and here I'm going to assign the response. We have to invoke this method. So let me copy the method name and inside the curly braces of the constructor, I'm going to invoke this method that is a this.getTask. After this, let's go to dashboard component.html and here I'm going to add the HTML code where we will show all the tasks. You can see here the HTML code where we have a tag mat card. On this we have a for loop where we are calling a variable from the dashboard component.ts that is a list of a task. You can see here the variable name. We are getting the task one by one from the list of tasks and we have to print the task details like task title, description, due date, employee name, priority, task status, and I'm going to comment this div for now. Let's go to dashboard component.scss and here I'm going to add the styling properties for the HTML. Now you can take a look of the styling properties. Let's go to dashboard component.html and you can see here the HTML code. Let's go to UI. As you can see, we are getting the list of tasks from the DB. This is the title, this is the description, due date, employee name, priority, and the status. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.